Everyone, Ashley here. This is the look we're going to be creating today. It is a super cute soft look, perfect for spring. I'm first starting out with concealer, just dabbing it onto my eyelid and then first blending it out with my finger using little dabbing motions. I'm next just going over everything with a sponge and then dipping into this color Enchanted Keys from the Harry Potter palette from Colourpop and then using a fluffy crease brush from Morphe and applying this to the outer corner of my eye. I'm creating a V shape in the outer corner. I'm pretending as if my lower lash line went upwards at an angle, and then I'm turning it inwards at the same angle of my crease right here. I'm pulling the color inwards and upwards, just blending all the edges to create smooth edges. Putting a little bit on the lower lash line as well, connecting it to the outer corner portion where I have that little triangle. As you can see, everything connects and creates a triangle. Next, with a flat shader brush from Morphe, I'm dipping into the color Duet from the Natasha Denona Pastel palette, and I'm applying this to the center of my lid. Here I'm just kind of like packing on the color and then pulling it into that previous shade that we applied on the outer corner, just using little side-to-side motions, so spreading out the color. I want this to be pretty soft, so I'm going over the edges and kind of feathering them out so we don't have any harsh lines. So I'm bringing it up above the crease here. With the same brush in the color Dainty from the Pastel palette, I'm applying this on the outer third area above the crease, just kind of feathering it above the crease here and then up towards the brow bone, just to add a little bit of pop of color. Next, with the same brush, I'm using the shade Limoncello on the inner corner and then just kind of feathering it into that previous pinky purple color we applied, just having smooth gradient edges all the way around and bringing it onto the lower lash line a little bit. Next, with a deep gray from the Harry Potter palette, I'm applying this to the outer corner with a little pencil brush from Morphe, and I'm again creating a triangle in the outer corner. So I'm following the upward slope of my lower lash line here and then just kind of feathering it inwards a little bit at a time and slowly building up the color. Just kind of pulling it and feathering it into that pink in the previous brown. I'm going back in with the fluffy brush and a little bit of the gray. And then I'm applying a teeny bit on the lower lash line with whatever's left on the brush. Just kind of feathering it towards the center of the eye and then connecting it with the gray in the outer corner here. I'm applying an inner corner wing and a regular small wing and then connecting it to the inner corner liner, just dragging it all the way across, keeping it on the thinner side. And then here I'm just cleaning up all my lines and then filling in the shape. Next, with the flat shader brush from Morphe, I'm going in with the color Duet again, applying it to the lower lash line, going in with mascara and lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time I post, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!